Welcome to Education Labs IQ. The more you learn, the brighter you shine. Let us learn the names of construction vehicles names. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a bulldozer. A bulldozer is a heavy equipment with a large steel blade on the front, used to push materials such as soil, sand, rubble, or rock. It is commonly used in construction, mining, and forestry projects. This is a cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck or cement mixer truck is a special vehicle used to transport and mix concrete, ready-mix concrete, from the batching plant to the construction project location. This is a dump truck. A dump truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed to transport and unload materials such as sand, soil, gravel, or rock. A distinctive feature of a dump truck is its hydraulically raised rear bed, allowing the material to be dumped easily to its destination. This is an excavator. Excavators are one of the most common and essential pieces of heavy equipment in the construction, mining, and forestry industries. They are also known as digging machines, or backhoe, in the field. This is a forklift. A forklift is a powered vehicle, usually diesel, petrol, gas, or electric, used to lift, move, and stack heavy objects, particularly those on pallets. Forklifts are designed for both indoor, warehouse, and outdoor, logistics area, ports, etc. use. This is a pile driver. A pile driver is a piece of heavy equipment used to drive piles into the ground to form a building foundation. This equipment is essential for the construction of tall buildings, bridges, ports, and other large structures. This is a road roller. A road roller is a piece of heavy equipment used to compact soil, gravel, asphalt, or other road base materials to make them solid, stable, and level. It is one of the primary tools in road construction. This is a telehandler. A telehandler is a multi-function piece of heavy equipment similar to a forklift, but with a telescopic arm that extends and lowers, allowing it to lift materials to higher or hard-to-reach locations. This equipment is widely used in the construction, agriculture, warehousing, and logistics industries. This is a tower crane. A tower crane is a tall, tower-shaped piece of heavy equipment used to lift and move heavy materials to high heights or hard-to-reach areas in construction projects, especially for high-rise buildings, bridges, and large infrastructure. This is a tractor. A tractor is a powerful vehicle designed to pull or push work equipment, such as a plow, trailer, or other machinery. Tractors are very versatile and are commonly used in agriculture, forestry, construction, and plantations.